So it's one thing like to have your API specification and just say, here's an endpoint, there's an endpoint, and some documentation around it. But that is very cumbersome. And we also noticed that ourselves, like when we're trying to put something together based on some of the product APIs, it takes a lot of time to like think about what is my requirement, somehow turning that into a workflow, and then figuring out how to implement that using the available endpoints. I think there's actually quite a lot of potential to automate this orchestration and have some intelligence in there and say, this is my use case, describe it in a certain, like a natural language way. And then just have the AI put it together and sort it out, and then maybe even give you kind of a starting point for an implementation. I think that's something that could be really useful for the consumers.
Yeah. Getting to that productization.
Yeah, to that productization, and also just in general the whole process or the whole workflows of API portals, API marketplaces. They're still very much based on like manual workflows. So you go in there, you go through the catalog, you try to find stuff, go through the documentation. How much easier would it be to just like tell the marketplace what you need, or maybe it can even somehow determine what you need, and then it just gives you the right results. So I think that's some areas I think where we can really improve.